I think the spirit of our company, I mean, there's a huge amount of history here with Yoshimura. I mean, I think we're all very passionate motorcycle enthusiasts at heart. I think we all love being around motorcycles. It channels all back down, I think, to the pride in the product and the pride in the brand. Our end consumer product, it's a result of a lot of our racing.
We have the best athletes on the planet racing for us, so that means the resolution and the quality of the feedback that we get from these guys, there's so much more of it that it allows us to translate that quality into the product we build. If the rider doesn't like the feel, they're going to hold back, their lap times are going to drop. It may be better on the dyno, but we're not racing on a dyno, we're racing with human beings.
I mean, we take obviously just the rider feedback, that feedback and information channels back to our engineering group.
But all that technology that we learn throughout the season makes its way into the next generation product, so it's a constant renewal.
When we come up with an idea, we're able to take it from the drawing board into a quick manufacturing, a quick product without much delay of sending something out, waiting for it to be made, waiting for it to come back. Oh, it doesn't fit, send it back out. We just do all that in-house, just a few feet away from everything.
It's a big help having the R&D, the race team, and the composite shop here in-house. They want to develop things and continue to push the envelope, and so sometimes we have to react at the last minute.
Because manufacturing internally in-house here, we have the ability to move very quickly and change directions if we need to, and continue with the growth of the industry.
Every project starts with a 3D model, so we can actually put the whole motorcycle up on the table and get a 3D rendering of the entire motorcycle with all of the critical dimensions. The craftsmen, the fabricators, can then take our CAD designs and fit them up to the bike.
We make sample, put on dyno. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then come back to the shop and then do it again. So, a couple back and forth.
And then we'll knock out a couple of them, just a small little production run on them, and then head to the racetrack and evaluate them, and then come back and then turn them over to R&D guys and say, hey, this worked, this didn't, this is what we think.
And now everything can be checked back to those 3D models throughout the production process.
The care in development, the care in production, the manufacturing, to make sure that our customer is receiving the best possible product.
We have to have good-looking parts. They have to be UV sensitive. They have to withstand dirt, mud, street, weather, and obviously the temperature. The way we manufacture it is very important, and the materials we use are very important.
A lot of companies build hard parts, but when we build them, we try to make sure that there's a racing competitive advantage. We always make them toolbox tool friendly. It needs to be more durable than stock. Our current line of hard parts, we use a finish called Works Edition finish that it's like a diamond-like coating. It can't be scratched, it doesn't fade, it's just a superior part. We try to raise the bar on the quality expected out of that type of product.
Our quality control is very extensive. Our product has to be perfect.
When a customer buys a Yoshimura product, it's really, we want them to think of it as a product for life. We build everything so that it can be rebuilt. We have a complete in-house service center that can do rebuilding. We even do damage repair. When guys crash their bikes, we can rebuild the pipes. Customer sends a pipe back to us no matter how old it is. When he gets it back, it'll be like brand new again.
Anything that's attached to Yoshimura, whether it's a racing project or a camshaft or an exhaust system, we have to be assured it's the best.